Welcome viewers, today is another day in another tutorial. So today we are going to make a slide transition. So it is very simple. Just we are going to, first of all, you have to make a composition by clicking here and create a new composition of any this size and give it duration what you want. Then take right click and create new text and I will type slide transition. Okay. Now I will press hold Alt, Control and Home key to bring this anchor point to the center of the text. For any shape you can use these shortcuts. And now press Control Home key to bring this text or any shape to the center of the composition. Okay, now we are going to make a shape in size like that. You just unclick this layer so that it didn't make the mask. Now make a shape in size like that. Okay, and now you just, if you have doesn't track mate here, just click this toggle switch is moved so the track mate column come here, then click alpha so it will cease here. So we doesn't want to look this text here, we just want slide transition, so we will make it an alpha inverted mat, so the text will be disappear below this shape. It will only appear it is outside this shape we created. Now we will animate the text position, so just click N and at the start click it, make a key stopwatch keyframe and then at here just like that. Now it's up to you if you slide upward or downward. So I'm going to slide upward, it's slide upward, it's slide downward. So I'm going to make a slide upward like this. Okay, now you are seeing this is the transition. Now I'm going to ease these keyframes. Just select these both keyframes and press F9, or you can I'm going to undo it and right click keyframe assistant and easy ease. Now select this gravitar shortcut is Shift F3. Okay, now you can switch easily between timeline and the gravitar just by pressing Shift F3. So after doing this, now select these both keyframes, Shift F3 and select this to at in, move fast at the in. Okay, now just see the magic. So this is the transition that I want. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and you learned something new. So be creative, keep learning and never give up. See you in the next tutorial.